1FIRPOWR. The AbramsX delivers next-generation firepower through a highly refined 120mm main cannon designed to fire the latest generation of U.S. tank munitions, including programmable multipurpose rounds, long-range smart munitions, kinetic penetrators, and high-explosive shells optimized for both armored and soft targets. The automatic loading system replaces the human loader, ensuring consistent firing rates, reducing crew workload, and enabling a smaller, more survivable turret. In addition to the main gun, the tank mounts a powerful 30mm remote weapon station capable of engaging drones, infantry, light vehicles, and low-flying aircraft with high precision. A coaxial 7.62mm machine gun provides additional suppression capability. All firepower is tied into an AI-assisted fire control system that analyzes multiple threats, provides real-time targeting recommendations, and allows the crew to engage hostile forces faster than legacy systems. 2 Armor and PROTCTO. And AbramsX features a fully redesigned armor package built around advanced composite materials, modular add-on panels, and separated ammunition compartments to increase survivability. The hull includes a reinforced crew compartment, an armored capsule that isolates crew members from ammunition storage areas, reducing the likelihood of catastrophic explosions. The tank integrates an advanced active protection system, APS, which detects, tracks, and neutralizes incoming anti-tank missiles, RPGs, and even top-attack munitions. This layer of defense significantly enhances survivability on modern battlefields where guided weapon threats are widespread. Additional soft kill countermeasures, smoke launchers, thermal camouflage, and reduced infrared signature further protect the vehicle from detection and targeting by enemy drones and sensors. 3 CREW. Unlike legacy Abrams tanks that use a 4-man crew, the AbramsX operates with a 3-person crew, commander, gunner, and driver, all positioned inside a protected armored capsule within the hull. This capsule provides enhanced survivability by distancing the crew from the ammunition and turret machinery. Digital multifunction displays give each crew member full access to the tank's monitoring systems, navigation tools, targeting interface, and vehicle diagnostics. The reduced crew size is made possible by the introduction of an autoloader for the main gun and highly automated internal systems. Advanced ergonomics, improved air conditioning, and optimized seating reduce fatigue and improve operational endurance. For engine and hybrid POWRTRN. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the AbramsX is its hybrid electric propulsion system, combining a modern diesel generator with high-capacity batteries to replace the traditional gas turbine used in previous Abrams models. This hybrid system significantly reduces fuel consumption, up to 50%, increasing operational range and reducing logistical burden. The tank features a silent mobility mode, allowing it to move short distances on electric power alone with minimal noise and heat signature, making it ideal for stealth approaches. The silent watch mode enables all sensors and communication systems to operate without the engine running, conserving fuel and improving tactical concealment. Improved power distribution ensures smoother acceleration and more efficient drivetrain management across rough terrain. 5. AI systems and digital ARCHITCTUR. AbramsX incorporates the Catalyst next-generation electronic architecture, which acts as the digital nervous system of the tank. This architecture supports AI-enabled decision aids that analyze battlefield data, detect threats, prioritize targets, and offer recommended actions to the crew. Machine learning tools assist with predictive maintenance, alerting the crew of potential mechanical issues before failure occurs. Battlefield networking allows the tank to share and receive data from drones, allied vehicles, command centers, and infantry units in real time, creating a fully integrated combat ecosystem. Augmented reality overlays enhance crew displays by providing target indicators, navigation cues, and situational awareness markers directly in the visual feed. 60 Turret, unmanned design. The AbramsX uses an unmanned turret design, a major shift from traditional Western tanks. All crew operate from the hull, leaving the turret fully automated and protected. This design reduces the turret's size, weight, and vulnerability while allowing thicker armor to be concentrated around critical components. The turret hosts the 120mm main gun with an autoloader, the 30mm remote weapon station, sensor arrays, and fire control systems. Automation ensures rapid target transitions, more stable firing on the move, and improved overall accuracy. The unmanned turret also enhances survivability, as any turret penetration does not immediately threaten the crew. 7. Mobility. AbramsX's reduction to a roughly 60-ton combat weight, significantly lighter than the 70-ton M1A2, greatly enhances speed, agility, and maneuverability. It uses an advanced suspension system that absorbs impacts, stabilizes the tank during cross-country movement, and maintains firing accuracy. Newly developed lightweight tracks reduce noise, improve traction, and extend lifespan. Combined with its hybrid powertrain, the tank achieves smoother acceleration and enhanced off-road capability, enabling faster repositioning in dynamic combat environments. Its lighter weight also means easier air transportation, better bridging compatibility, and greater operational flexibility. 8. Sensors and situational awareness. The AbramsX is equipped with a full suite of next-gen multispectral sensors, including panoramic thermal sights, high-resolution day cameras, laser rangefinders, and low-light imaging systems. A complete 360-degree camera array gives the crew total awareness of the surroundings, eliminating blind spots. AI-powered image recognition can detect drones, infantry movement, enemy vehicles, muzzle flashes, and artillery trajectories. These sensor systems integrate directly into the commander's and gunner's digital displays, allowing rapid target acquisition and faster engagement cycles. The system's real-time threat alerts enhance survivability by giving the crew immediate awareness of incoming attacks. 9. Drones and robotic integration. AbramsX is designed to operate seamlessly with autonomous and semi-autonomous drones. The tank can deploy small reconnaissance drones from the vehicle to gain real-time intelligence beyond the crew's line of sight. Data from these drones feeds directly into the tank's AI systems, allowing superior battlefield awareness and early detection of enemy units. AbramsX can also pair with robotic wingman vehicles, unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, for coordinated attacks, scouting operations, or high-risk missions where sending crewed tanks is dangerous. The 30mm cannon and electronic warfare systems are optimized for counter-drone engagements, giving the AbramsX strong air defense capability against small UAV threats. 10. Future role and battlefield impact. Although currently a technology demonstrator, the AbramsX represents the U.S. Army's vision for the next generation of main battle tanks. It embodies the shift from heavy, fuel-intensive armor toward smarter, lighter, and digitally integrated combat platforms. AbramsX is designed to dominate future battlefields characterized by drones, precision-guided munitions, electronic warfare, and AI-driven combat decision-making. If adopted, it could lead the transition to fully networked armored formations where crewed tanks work alongside drones and robotic systems, using real-time shared data to outmaneuver and outengage enemy forces. The tank's hybrid electric mobility, unmanned turret, advanced sensors, AI-driven management, and drone integration position it as one of the most forward-thinking armored platforms ever created, potentially shaping U.S. and allied armored strategy through the 2030s and beyond.